What's up, beautiful people? Thanks to and I appreciate you. You know I do. Girl. Welcome back for another video. My girl and guys, what's Papa locking, y'all? In today's video, we're gonna do a twist out, but using a mousse. Okay. I actually need to buy some more. We're halfway there. Wow. So I'm gonna be using a mousse. I actually got this by Style Queen Beauty. She's a hairstylist, also an influencer, and so I think she still considers herself an influencer. I don't know. Business owner. I know she's that. Poppin'. I know that. So she also sells hair care products and gives really great tips as well on her platform. She's actually the reason I even know how to do a perm rod set. I was watching her back in the day. Yes, but today we're going to be using one of her products. I bought the whole set, but I don't know where the I don't know if it's considered a leave-in conditioner or something like that, but I don't know where that's at. I'm gonna have to use something else for this. I'm gonna actually use these two products together. So yeah, Go Series Leave On Detangling Milk, and then the mousse for my hair. Okay, and that's what we're gonna do today. Also, yes, you're like, what you got on, Janae? I got new merch on. I got that new on for you. So yeah, this looks super bright on camera, but it's not as bright. This is a really good orange color. Nae2Curly Apparel website. Okay, hair type poppin' hoodie. This is a different hoodie from last time. Like, this is truly a regular hoodie. See that? It's not crazy long or nothing like that at all. If you want to get, you know, jazzy on the people, you know, layer it. Why do I have a coat sitting there? I don't know. Just gotta stay ready, gotta get ready. But yeah, so we got going on. You know, just a lot of fun things happening on Nae2Curly Apparel's website. And yeah, it's mine and I love it. I love everything we're releasing and stuff. So yeah, so bonnets, headbands, all the things for y'all to just really embrace this journey of natural hair and have fun with it. So got you. I got you. Here's how what poppin'. We ain't about to stress about our curls. We ain't about to stress about this. Are you ready? I hope so. Great. All right, so let's get this video started. Ow, girl. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, all right. Just, that's enough. Just a little bit of water. My main thing. Put this on. My main thing is going to be the mousse. Like I said, this one is actually, did she say this one? Yeah, this one you can use for a twist out. I think that's the thing I bought was for a twist out. As I told y'all, I am slowing down from using this brush, but this is to help me smooth that out. And that was it. So now we're just going to, should I do a 3-strand twist out? Y'all know I like a 3-strand twist out. No, we're gonna do a regular twist out. So I'm doing that extra little twist as I go down. Okay, there's our first twist. Wow. I'm doing one, maybe 2 pumps of this. Making sure it's all throughout. do a side part. So we're gonna bring the rest of these to this side. Yeah, it's looking good. Ooh. Yes. All right. So here's a twist. They look really good. Twist out. Here we come. All right, y'all. I'll turn it down just a little bit. I'm about to talk. Yeah, sorry, y'all. I didn't show the takedown. I actually did this here trying to prep for Thanksgiving service at my church. And just to find out that the service was that night, so the day I was filming this. And so I had to just stop and get it dry and leave right on out. So I was taking down my hair while I was in the car. I drove there with my mom. So, yeah. So y'all didn't get to see the takedown. Sorry about that. Yeah, so this whole scene right here is when I came back from church and I put my hoodie back on, and yeah, to show y'all the results. And of course I could fluff more, but here's your girl looking good. But yeah, so let me know down below what you think about my results. Do you already do this? Y'all know how it be. We be trying stuff. It's just so lightweight, and it's a quicker dry time. Way quicker. 30 minutes under the dryer. Not even. Well, no, 30 minutes. And so this was really good. Now this is 30 minutes with my hair already starting off on blown out hair. There's the difference, okay? I didn't fluff it or anything. I'm gonna let it kind of do its thing. And just for y'all, I'm gonna give like a couple day updates for y'all. And of course, so at night, I'm going to twist it back up. This is gonna give me some more length. And just allow my hair to not be frizzy. Of course, I could just band it because it is so defined. I should be able to band it as an option as well, but the front is where I don't like banding it because it's gonna stretch it out weird. So that's the only thing about banding it with a twist out that I don't like anymore. But yeah, defined though. It's defined. Oh gosh. I'm liking this particular mousse, so if you don't know about this mousse, I definitely would say check it out. Of course, like I said, I got it from Style Queen Beauty's Instagram or her website, so I'll leave it down below for y'all. But yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Lightweight, hands ain't greasy at all. Those are the things we're looking for here. Am I right? I am. But yeah, so I could definitely keep separating, but I'm gonna let it grow over time. Look at that. Oh, I shouldn't shake it for y'all. Where am I? Wow. So now I'm home and I'm twisting up my hair. Also, I'm just ready to go to sleep. So I gotta do something to distract me while I'm doing this. All that good stuff. All right. Okay, bye.
Perfect.
Hi. Just wanted to show you my hair at the end of the day. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. I was pulling on my hair. So here we are. But it did make it fluffy because it's already super defined. So this is what we are working with. It looks so good. This is where actually pulling on my ends helped out. But when I say pull, I mean like because they're so defined, I kind of had to go in and separate pieces because they were clumped together so well. So that's what we look like. Also too, I've been wearing a scarf and my hair has been collecting lint from the scarf. So this scarf is trying to take me out in every outfit I got on. Sorry if y'all saw that. And yeah, just want to give y'all my update, and I'm going to retwist. This time around, I may add a little bit of water or a refresher spray in my hair, my hands, and then twist it on up. Yeah, just like this, and then you know what I mean. But yeah, this is what it look like. All right, bye. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. I'm being super lazy, but this is the next hair thing. Let's see. Today is Sunday. Yeah. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? Whitney? Hold on. All right, this is it. I need to actually show y'all me twisting it at night, so I'm gonna do it tonight and show y'all. Because this time around, I actually put a little bit of water in my hair, so I can, you know, that's what I gotta do. But it looks good. It's almost like it gets better throughout the day. When I first take it down, it looks definitely flat, so it's just, you know, keep fluffing it and stuff, and it comes to life. We love it, right? Right. Yes. I probably still got a little lint. Try to get all of it out, but yeah. Okay, bye. I have not twisted it up. I just put the bonnet on. This is the second night where I just put the bonnet on. So, yeah, still looking good. That's a positive. What? It's a what? That's a positive. I'm gonna ask you right now. So, just want to show y'all this. Okay, boy. Y'all something. Focus on me. Thank you. Face of oil. Let me tell y'all something. This hair of mine is looking good. When did we start this whole process? I did my hair. What day was that? Was that a Thursday or a Wednesday? I did my hair of last week. Today is Wednesday, the next week. My hair still looks good. Now that's a piece I pulled on, so we're gonna try to tuck that. But I have not retwisted because if I could be real with you, I was a little lazy. But the definition is strong. Hold on. Wait a minute, y'all. So I really don't know where to stop this video. I guess I'm gonna stop it now and go ahead and post this for y'all. But all right, this is my last day. This is my last day with showing y'all, because I need to get this video out. I know I said that last time, but I promise you this time we're done. But this is what it looks like. All right, I gotta jump in really quick because I'm editing a video right now and I did not know I had something on my lip, on my face. I'm watching the footage like, what is on my face? So basically I had, I think that day I did a shoot. And so I had red lipstick on. And in my head, I wiped it all off, but I guess I didn't. So we're gonna keep this clip in. I don't care. What makes this funnier is the fact that I kept looking in my mirror. So every time I was leaning and looking over and fluffing, I was looking in the mirror. Like, how did I not see that? All right, keep watching. Talk to y'all in the comment section. Yes, that's what I used. Get hip. I'm sold. I'm sold. Like, I'm good. Anything where I'm just like, wow, it can last, I ain't gotta, we're in the clear. Still looking good. Got a little frizz, but we don't care. Guess what? It looks good. It's moving. It's about, what y'all thought? Wow. Wow. Just wanted to show y'all this time around, you know, I'm about to wash it. I actually am using the mousse again. Just put a little water in my hands, detangling it a little bit. Still going in bigger sections than I did before. Just twisting that thing on up. This is the brush I'm using. I'll put it down below. But the same person that my brush finally came in, I got it from her Black Friday sale. The same product that I'm using, the product that I'm using is the same person whose brush I'm using. We are at Tuesday and with this hair, and I'm just like, wow, flourishing. But we need to go ahead and wash this one out. Y'all wanna know what I'm using? Keys, by Alicia Keys. Y'all get to see the last of the Twist Out series. We're gonna call it a series. It's not a series. What? This is not a series, Janae. It lasted though. Surely did. And I didn't pull on it that much, so that's a positive as well. Wow. Oh yeah, we're done. This is not looking defined no more. We're all set. It was looking like it at first, and now it's just looking kind of like crinkled. Yeah, I've actually concluded that I just probably twisted this side bad, or maybe I slipped on this side. Cause this side look okay. This side is the one that's struggling. But we are done, and yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Just in case y'all want to see it a little better, please ignore this acne bump. How dare it? Saw better. This side look okay in this clip a little bit. Hold on. What kind of camera is this? Stay alert. I'm gonna have a different outro. It's not gonna be this, because I had already did the outro and I thought I was gonna be done doing the video, and I was like, no, let's just keep the twist out going. So that's why I'm gonna look different for the outro. I don't know if it lasted longer well, no, I think it will last longer either way. So I was gonna say, I don't know if it lasts longer because I have blown out hair, but I'm thinking, I mean, on wet hair it should be even better, right? So at least for my hair. And yeah, I will recommend that product. And let me know. I'll leave it down below for y'all. Let your girl know. If y'all haven't already, go ahead and check out my vlog channel, Janae Mason TV. Yeah, I'm basically daily vlogging in a sense. It's every other day that I'm posting a new video, just so we can have a closer look into my life.
You, because
gotta stay alert.
I was going to set him up with somebody else.
People trying to set me up with people.
No, like seriously.
But I'm not against it.
Well, what are you looking for?
What am I looking for?
Yeah, what are you like?
You know what?
See, women can't just answer the question.
Yeah, we gotta be dramatic with it. And I get to know y'all even more over there. So go ahead and subscribe. And I'll leave the link down below for that too. But yeah, so I hope you found this video educating, a little entertaining. Let you go know, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join my beautiful crew, woody woo. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 Peace.